Thank you for choosing this video to watch. Here you see a couple Nerf blasters. I forgot the model name of this one, but it has these cute little compartments in the front where you can stick your foam projectiles, and of course loading in here. And I've modified it just with Bondo, and I've just smoothed over some areas that I didn't really like, and I've added this stripe. So the spring is in here, and you pull back like this, and then like that. So that's that one. And this is the Nerf Mega BigShock. This is the model that we were asked to use during this Nerf blaster modification contest at Omaha Maker Group. So what I've done is, well, with both of these, I've put bolts in them inside the Bondo. I've kind of used Bondo and resin and some fabric, some fiberglass fabric, to make this heavier and to add some pieces. See, this projectile has a little, see that little hole in there? It whistles when you shoot it. And there used to be a little spot here for a projectile to fit in, but I've bundled all that over and made it a little more spicy. And the spring is located in the handle. So what I did was, I did modify the insides of this one. I took out the old spring and I put in this heavier spring. If you go to Ace Hardware, they have a bunch of springs. So the plan was that this would be the furthest shooting. And it wasn't, but it was fun to make, and I think that's the point of the whole thing. I would never have even tried to modify Nerf blasters. Like the last time I played with these things were as a child, so this was an opportunity that I would not have had if I hadn't joined this maker group, and it was fun. So I hope you enjoy watching this video.
What here? Brandon got maybe. Fits fine. Oh yeah, as you say. It's almost like you custom made the box. Ben's gun.
Steampunk version.
Similar to a glove.
It'll fit somehow, I bet.
It's really impressive because I did it at home and did it in the box.
Yeah.
Close enough.
I'd say it passes close.
I feel like you could bend this off.
Sure.
It's fine.
It's bendy.
It's bendy.
Call it good.
And just about everybody else.
We got another entry. Make sure that.
Oh,
that this doesn't belong because it's not part of the.
Yeah, that's not even the right thing.
Oh.
We'll take it.
It's like I planned it.
It's not ready to fire.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, this might be ready to fire.
Oh, there we go.
Hey.
That's much better for him.
Fits. All right, I think that's everybody. Oh, we got Don's aluminum foil space
nice.
which
Also
does
appear to have some modifications internally.
Let's pause for a moment and take a look at a couple of the more unusual modifications. This one uses air pressure to fire off the projectile, and this one uses a little electric motor powered by a power tool battery. Did you 3D print this whole mechanism?
Yep. It's very similar to the one that's in the gun right now, but with two motors instead of one big one. And it actually works.
That's ridiculous.
Kind of disappointing. And it worked. I think we need to rewrite this.
All right.
Trade secrets you made.
I think for the purpose of aesthetics, we should demonstrate which guns stand upright, other than mine and Brandon's. Just saying.
And then have you seen the...
Yeah, it's ripping to death.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Goes dead.
But it sounds good.
They sure did.
See where this is.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Which didn't help at all. But other than that,
I think that might have come from.
Test this.
So you're gonna run a stock? I mean, all right. Number 4.
let's go back.
I should have rifled the barrel.
He's a judge. Oh, nice.
I think that was a hit.
Good job.
Going up on the score.
Green, that's one.
It was in the sense that it would have counted. If it wasn't.
like at the foul shot. Should the foul shot. Foul shooter.
2 shots.
Hit the window. Shoot the back off.
This has been kind of like a minimum recording problem.
Actually, I had this before we did that contest. It just happens to be the first I was going to do that.
No, I mean several people.
Stock guns probably aren't going to be. 70.
They were. He was.
I think I know which one we're gonna drop.
Yeah. I'll take that.
Yeah, there you go.
51,000.
All right.
Or 151.
Oops.
All right. That's yeah.
Gotta do this.
300.
I'm waiting. Don't rely on me.
Oh no!
Misfire. I'm trying again with this blink die. Nope, I don't stuck to it.
It took too long to leave people.
Yeah, you're not getting good video in the
Yeah,
dark
well.
with
Whatever he said, the opposite is the right thing.
Alright, here we go.
We're gonna need more juice, Mike.
Gonna need what?
More liquid. Before too long.
Ready?
All right. You good?
Yep. Pushed in all the way.
Yep.
Flaming fire.
No! I don't know what's going on, but
Too much drag.
Fire.
hand is only slightly covered in it.
It okay.
Better. We're down another dart though.
So what we're doing? Oh, we're just creating a vacuum. And you're just holding it with your fingers. And then we're measuring it with this bullet speed measurer. Meter? What's it called?
Oh, the brand is a Crony. Chronometer.
So when you say, I'm going to use the Crony, people just know
Flashlight.
you're going to use the flashlights to measure
you
the
shouldn't have to, but
Okay.
Pressure
PSI
positive.
PSI positive.
Who's ready?
Literally.
but the rest of them.
I would not stand there.
Ready? Fire the hole! Nope.
There was two of them.